Okay, this is video number 3, part 3, of how to be a master at importing and creating worship lyric slides. The first 2 videos, we looked at how to do this, importing slides from our own worship database. The second video was how to do this using a CCLI search. And now this third video, we're going to take a look at how to do this from the clipboard, okay? So the first thing that we're going to do is, let's say we've got a song. It is neither in our worship database, nor is it a part of CCLI. So let's go to our Google Chrome. All right. And we're going to search in, let's do the last song that we did in the last video, which was The Great I Am. So we're going to go The Great I Am lyrics. Click on that, and now I see, here it is. That's the song that I like, okay? So what we're going to do is, maybe there's a better, yeah, let's use this one because this has some things that we're going to need to navigate around that you'll need to know. So this is The Great I Am, so I'm going to click, make sure I get that I in there, if it'll let me. Yes. And we're going to click and highlight everything that we want to import. Okay. So scroll down, and there's the bridge. All right. So I've highlighted everything. I'm going to hold my command button on my keyboard while pressing C. This is copy, and now I have copied it to my clipboard. So I come back to my PCO. We're going to navigate, and we're going to go File up here at the top. I don't know if you can see there it is. File, Import Text from Clipboard. Click on it. And let's go through the same configuration parameters here. Slides delimited by line break. Yes, I want 2 delimiters per slide, or 2 lines per slide. 1920 by 1080. I've got my theme set. I'm going to import this into Worship Songs, no playlist. Now, and I'm click Import. Now, I have just imported that into my worship lyric database. Now, the thing to take note here is that in the, when you're importing just raw lyrics, ProPresenter does not know what the name of the song is. So ProPresenter will entitle it whatever the first line is. So I remember the song, and I can go back to my Google search and confirm. Let's go back to my, so then the first line is, I want to be close to your side. So I have to search for this in our database. So I come back up here, go to Worship Songs, double click on Worship Songs, and now I have my Worship Songs here. I go down to the I's because I'm looking for I want to be close. It's a good thing I've got my glasses on, guys, because, oh my goodness, I can't see the screen. And there's the H's, and here we go. There it is. I want to be close to your side. That's line 1. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on it, right click. I want to rename this. And where is it? Resize, rename. There it is. So I already have this in the database because I just did this in video 2 with CCLI. So I'm going to call this The Great I Am, parentheses, version 2. And that's what I'm going to call it. So now it's called The Great I Am version 2. And here we are. And it looks like everything's good. There's a couple slides that I need to probably clean up. Slide 11, slide 12. So at this point, I would go through my reflow, especially when I'm importing text from the internet. And I want to go through this really diligently and make sure the grammar is all set up, make sure there's no misspelled words, because you guys know anytime you import copy from text from the internet, I mean, you just never know it's like driftwood. You never know what's going to wash up on shore. So I want to hit my reflow, and I want to make sure that the slides are grammatically correct and everything is exactly how I want it. Then I'm going to go through the process of assigning the groups, verse, chorus, bridge, etc. Then I'm going to add a blank slide at the end. I'm going to label that blank slide. Then I'm going to select all of my worship lyric slides, assign the right look, which is worship lyrics look, and then I'm going to assign on my blank slide, I'm going to assign the look clear all. Okay? And then I'm already ready to go. At this point, I've done all of my worship lyric slides for this song. Then I would navigate back to my service, which is on the 18th, and then I would click and drag it into my service from my worship songs folder, which I have just added it to. So, guys, I hope these videos are helpful, and these are for your review. You graphic directors, as you guys are assigned to serve in different services, look up these videos, refresh yourself on how to do some of the stuff, because as you guys know, in our service, you never know what's going to happen, and we like to be led by the Lord spontaneously whenever He chooses to lead us like that, and we want to make sure that we have the skills and know-how installed on us so that we can be a help to any given service. So I hope these videos are helpful. Please comment, send me a message, let me know if there's anything else that I need to do a video on, and we will see you guys Sunday.